Hi and welcome on my channel. Today I'm gonna to show you how to preparing perfect egg in very easy and smart way using egg boiler. Egg boiler promise us that we're preparing the egg on right time and the egg will be really prepared as we like. So let's find out that this is true or just promises marketing tricks from producer of this one. So first we start from unboxing. Manual. This is the egg boiler. Container for water. Egg holder. Heater with option how the egg you like. Medium, rare or well done. Do you see? Up to person preference. Bit like that. And let's check the manual first. Never like reading manual, but I just want to check one thing. Okay, so this called egg tray. This is called transparent cover. Yeah, and this is the measure for water. Wow, and this small liter machine will prepare it perfect egg for us. I wanted to check now. Okay guys, so I'm ready to start preparing first egg, and to this we need to use water. Which measure will show me. And of course we need egg, which I'm ready to. I'm gonna prepare just one. And I have three options. One is just normal egg, soft egg, or medium or well done. So first I'm gonna try to do medium. There is something happen. It's flashing. So I'm gonna waiting for the moment when we have signal that is ready. Okay, I just received now the information that is done. It stopped flashing the light. So yeah, so we can check what's happened there and how our egg has been boiled. You have to be careful with this, this is very hot. I can put up this tray. It's gonna remind you that you should turn off the heater. Okay. So the eggs are very hot. I'm gonna just put it to water for a while. And test it now. That's the test, guys. It's like we're looking for medium, so medium egg, of course, must to have liquid inside, right? The yellow must to be in liquid. This takes 8 minutes. You just put your egg, open, select medium, you just wait 8 minutes, and up to 4 eggs you have done. You don't need to be worried about that your medium will be not yet done. Okay, but I'm thinking also about others if you wanted to prepare it. I'm gonna keep going one more test for egg, which will be only prepared well done for you. So we must again remove this. Add a little water. You put this, you put egg, you close this one, and you set up for well done. And you must do waiting, the producer said here. Hard egg will be in 10 minutes here. So my dear sir, madam, if you want to have hard egg, you need to wait 10 minutes without worrying. This will do the job for you. Okay guys, we're waiting 4 minutes, so this should be 6 minutes more. I just want to tell you, if you're not yet subscribed my channel, you can just do it now. So I will be so happy that you can see my next videos, and this definitely help me and motivate me to show you more. Thank you very much for subscription if you already did. Okay guys, so we are 10 minutes later. Let's check how preparing hard egg this machine. I have to open this first. Remove this egg. But it's hot. It's very, very hot, guys. The question is that this egg will be well done, will be hard. And here you have answer. 100% hard egg. Do you see now? Well done and well done and medium egg. It's perfectly prepared. Perfectly. So I'm gonna tell you, I really like this machine. This is the solution for everyone who really like to have good prepared boring egg, hard, medium, or if you like even soft. And this will prepare it and do the job for you. So you don't need to be worried about the time, you don't need to be worried about the egg. Everything will be done. The water will heat in good temperature, that the egg will be very perfect. What we seen on the test. And this just take you 300 watts. You can set up 3 times. So it's for the soft egg, medium and hard egg. I call well done. This is for maximum 4 egg in one time. You have the measure cup for the water, this is the measure for the water, and you don't need to be worried because this is the measure which show you how much water you need to this machine, that the egg will be boiled and will enough for prepared your egg to the end. Also, this machine has built timer which will give you signal when this is prepared. So once you doing something and your egg will be done, you will hear signal that your egg is already prepared, and you need to manually close, switch here off, just like that. The best way to prepare an egg without stress and in perfectly time. So if I help you and I showed you solution not just for one time, how you can prepare it, how you can try preparing good egg, counting the time, set up timers, just I showed you how you can do it using this machine, and you no need to be worried about anything, and your egg will be perfect. So if you like kind of this machine, which is very cheap, less around $10 plus minus, so go and buy this one machine and your problem will be resolved. If I help you once again, then just remember to subscribe my channel. I'm gonna to show you much more and more every week, and see you in next video. Just here you can watch now next, or next week will be new. Thank you for watching me, and see you in next video.